इंपैक्ट रिजनल सम्मेलन 3 सूत्र और 7 चक्र को नहीं आलोचना होती। भर्चुआल जोड़ी हेले मुख्यमंत्री मोहन चरण माझी, केंद्र मंत्री धर्मेंद्र प्रधान भर्चुआल जोड़ी होती। ओडिया भाषा को एआई रे आनिबा को व्यवस्था करा जाउछि। एआई को सरकारी व्यवस्था रे जोड़िबा को योजना रहुछि। आगु को 41 विभाग रे एआई रो उपयोग करा जिवो। आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस रो योजनार सफल रूपायन पई एआई रो व्यवहार हेबो। फेब्रुआरी मासरे दिल्ली रे एआई सम्मेलन हेबाकु थिबा बेले एहा पूर्वरु 8टी राज्य रे एआई इंपैक्ट रिजनल सम्मेलन हेउछि। प्रारंभिक पर्याय रे शिक्षा, स्वास्थ्य, विपर्यय परिचालना विभाग, महिला एवं शिशु विकास विभाग, संसदीय व्यापार विभाग रे एआई रो उपयोग उपरे फोकस करा जायछि।
I extend my warm greetings to all of you at the Odisha AI Summit 2025. Today marks a defining moment in our state's technological journey. We are not merely adopting artificial intelligence, we are building the foundation of an AI-powered Odisha. This will strengthen the governance, speed of service delivery, and empower citizens. Under the double engine Sarkar, to realize the vision of Samruddha Odisha 2036 and Viksit Bharat 2047, we are taking transformative initiatives that combine industrial growth with social progress. Our inspiration to this journey is the visionary leadership of Yashasvi Pradhan Mantri Shri Narendra Modi ji. His dream of an Atmanirbhar Bharat continues to inspire and transform our industrial and digital landscape. India is undergoing a historic technical transformation under him. Odisha is proud to be an active and ambitious partner in this national movement. Our development priorities converge with the national goals of Atmanirbhar Bharat, Digital India, and Viksit Bharat. Over the past year, we have taken strong steps to build an AI-powered state. We launched the Odisha AI Policy 2025, becoming the first state in the country to do so. We have established a dedicated AI cell and began introducing AI tools to enhance transparency and improve responsive governance. We have placed IT, ITES, electronics, and emerging technologies at the core of Odisha's economic strategy. We have 500 plus companies, 1,500 plus startups, and strong incubation capacity that support our growing ecosystem. With support from institutions such as IIT Bhubaneswar, NIT Rourkela, IIT Bhubaneswar, and Niger, Odisha is building a robust talent pipeline that combines technical capability with a deep cultural foundation. In recent months, Odisha has taken concrete steps to emerge as a front-line state in technology, with major semiconductor projects coming off in Info-Velu. We have aimed at upskilling our youth in fintech and insurtech, with upcoming GCC and fintech policies. Backed by strong infrastructure, quantitative course, and a progressive policy environment, we are advancing responsible AI adoption across sectors. When the technological strength of industry, the knowledge of academia, and the imagination of our youth coming together, we create an Odisha that leads with confidence, compassion, and capability. The new Odisha is committed to ensuring that benefits of AI reach every village and household. We will build an Odisha that stands at the forefront of India's AI future as a model for the.
As the India advances towards the vision 2047, Odisha is preparing for the vision 2036, making 100 years since the formation of the state. Our objective to build a future-ready, innovation-driven economy that balances growth with equity and sustainability. Artificial intelligence will be a key enabler for this transition. Our goal is to contribute significantly to the national dream of a developed India by 2047. And in Odisha, we see AI as a force that will bring a gap between the rural and urban sector, enhancing everything from the precious of our farmer to the efficiency to our healthcare system. And my government is ready to use the AI tool in all 41 departments to provide a technological solution for e-governance.